here's a quick video. Hajime had a question, and it was really, really a good question. We studied the phrase, "it was pretty good." Now, pretty good is actually a kind of a flexible meaning. We have to really understand the situation, and we need to actually see or hear very clearly how the person is saying this phrase. I only have it written here twice, but I can put another one here too. It was pretty good can mean excellent. It can mean good. And it can mean so-so. Now, I've got a little chart here. This is excellent, like, 100. So, for example, if we could put a number here, it would be 100. Good, if we put a number here, it would be, 75, 80. We'll put 80. So-so, what's the number for so-so? I'm going to say 60. And 50's right here. Okay, so it's going to be above whatever. Whenever we say pretty good, it's above 50 in the good range. It was terrible, obviously. That's going to be 0. Okay, so if we say it was pretty good, it's going to be 60 to 100. So how do we know if it's 60, if it's 80, or if it's 100? By the way they say it and the expression. So, 3 possibilities: excellent, good, or so-so. Which one am I saying? Watch me carefully. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. It was excellent. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. 80. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. 60. Yeah. 65, maybe. That's the idea. It's above average, but nothing special. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I liked it. Yeah, it was good. It was not excellent, but I was surprised. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. Oh, excellent. Okay? So I'm serious. If you're only reading, it was pretty good, you might completely misunderstand. The person might actually mean excellent. You might be thinking he said so-so, but he might have said it meant excellent. And this is why when we're texting messages and using social media, we have to really be careful of the phrases we use, because in your head, oh, it was pretty good. But the listener or the receiver said, it was pretty good. Complete misunderstanding. So we always have to be careful. So is pretty good a good phrase to use on social media? No, it's too vague. We don't know what it means. When we're speaking, yes, it's a great phrase to use. Just make sure you talk like a human. So how was this video? Was it pretty good? Was it pretty good? Was it pretty good? Yeah. Was it pretty good? I'm curious. Leave a message. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.